I think it's key for our future that students are trained to see design as not only to market activities, but also to transform the society. So it's a kind of design activism. I'm developing a lecture about the making of collaborative cities. So it's related with a thematic cluster that we are developing in DESIS Network that gather many schools all over the world. CENTRO has just entered as one of these schools in the network. So we are very happy to have CENTRO joining in.
And really excited to engage with students and learn what they're doing, what their path is moving forward. And what we'll be talking about is creating social value. So how do you simultaneously create economic value for your organization, whether you're a company or a nonprofit, and at the same time generate social and environmental value for communities of which you're a part. So very excited to share ideas and learn and meet students and have a great experience together.